Hey everyone! So I just want to pop in here and show you tomorrow's new releases. I'll start out with a couple of the kits that we were able to design this week. So first up is this one that says "Live for the moments you can't put into words," and it's this pretty purple floral with butterflies kit, really pretty. Here you can see it a little more up close. And then let me show y'all all the pages that it brings. I love this bottom washi right here. And so, okay, that is kit number 1. I am super excited about kit number 2 because, I'm sorry about that noise by the way, I think someone is mowing their yard or something. But yes, so I'm super excited about kit number 2 because I've just been coffee obsessed, especially that cold brew coffee from Starbucks. Like, I get it once a week. There's just one day that I look forward to where I can get it. So this kit here says "Words cannot espresso how much I love coffee," and I love this sign that goes all across 3 full boxes with glitter coffee and then all these cups hanging. And so let me show y'all the entire kit. I really like how simple these bottom washies turned out with the macaroons and the coffee cup and then these 2. So those are the 5 pages. And this is going to be a really quick one because I don't have too much since tomorrow is the Traveler's Notebook release date. So we're also releasing our little kawaii doodle girls. I gotta come up with a name for them. And so here's, of course, I don't know if that's focusing, but maybe right there it is. So here's a little coffee one because y'all know I'm obsessed with coffee. Then there's a little sleepy one and it's really cute. She's got a teddy bear. And then we have a face mask one here. And then we have this one, which is one of my favorites. It's this little girl shaving, and so she's really angry with hairy legs right here. And then here she has one of her legs up and she is shaving. And so this is the beginning of our girls. Wait, no, I have one more. I just showed it to you guys not that long ago, the mermaid. I don't know what I did with it. Nope, my desk is a mess, but well, there is also a mermaid one that I have shown in my Facebook group and my Instagram. And then, yeah, so that is pretty much it for the new releases. It's just these 2 kits and the 5 girls. And then as a special tomorrow, on top of Freebie Friday, we're also handing out 20 of these for the first 20 people that purchase the Traveler's Notebook kit. So I just thought that this sparkly blue would look super nice with, and I won't show everything because I already have a video that I will link below, but there goes Bean. So yeah, I just thought this vinyl decal would look super cute with this kit, and it's just a pair of sunglasses and says summer. And so yeah, this goes to the first 20 people that order this kit right here. And alright you guys, that's it for the new releases. So I hope you like them and I'll be back very soon. Bye!